A good Tuesday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ben Derry. Thanks for checking out KARE 11 Plus. Well, in case you haven't noticed it, the days are pretty short these days, and we continue to lose daylight as long as we're on this side of the winter solstice, which is December the 21st. However, did you know that the earliest sunset of the year actually happens this week? The earliest sunset of the year, 4:31 p.m., and that happens between, I believe, December 5th and December 9th. So during that time, the earliest sunset. Our latest sunrise actually occurs in early January. That's at 7:51 a.m., and they don't occur on the shortest day of the year, which is, again, the winter solstice on December 21st, because Earth isn't perfect. See, there's a difference between what's called a solar day and an actual day. So an actual day is 24 hours. That's our definition of a day. But a solar day is just slightly longer than that. And that discrepancy is the reason why the earliest sunset and the latest sunrise don't happen on the same day. So a little bright news as we start off this Tuesday, which, speaking of bright, we are seeing a little bit of sunshine outside as well, some bonus sunshine. And today is about as warm as it gets for the next few days. We do expect plummeting temperatures as we head into your Wednesday. In fact, we'll call it a midnight high, where the warmest part of the day tomorrow will likely be right at midnight. So the climate data for Wednesday is probably going to say the temperature was about 25 degrees or something. But as we start off Wednesday morning, we'll probably start off around daybreak about 20 degrees with falling temperatures through the day. Temperatures bottom out Thursday morning. Sub-zero temperatures are expected as we wake up Thursday, the first sub-zero reading of the season, and wind chill values, even with the wind only about 5 to 10 miles per hour Thursday morning, easily teens and maybe even down to 20 below zero. So an Arctic start to Thursday, and then temperatures rebound as we head into Friday. So a lot of up and down with your forecast, and not to mention several opportunities at seeing mostly light amounts of snow about every other day. And that first chance will actually happen tonight as that front moves through. Typically, whenever we see a front passage, that's when we see our snow chance, and we usually see that on the warmer side of these cool downs. So you can see 24 today. Cold front moves through tonight. That'll give us those light snow chances, maybe a dusting as we wake up tomorrow morning. 18 above for Wednesday with falling temperatures through the day. There's our cold day Thursday, 14 above for a high. Temperatures warm throughout the night Thursday night, and then we peak about 27 degrees on Friday, followed by, yes, another cool down heading into next weekend. So a lot of up and down with your forecast, but typically when we see these kind of temperature fluctuations, it does give us snow chances, but most of them are on the lighter side. You can see temperatures right now ranging from the mid to upper teens. Even look at this, Marshall, one of the odd places right now at 31 degrees. You can see temperatures get quite a bit colder the further north you go. This air mass, which is over Nunavut, northern parts of Manitoba, northwestern Ontario, that's the cold air that's knocking on our doorstep. That cold front right now is basically paralleling the international border. And as we head into tonight, that cold front is going to work its way south and give us that next shot of Arctic air. Here's that bonus sunshine we're seeing right now. Soak it up, because we do expect clouds to increase later this evening, and we'll probably end up seeing more clouds and sun in your forecast. So let's check out Microcast. Here comes that cold front, and there's the snow chances riding along that frontal boundary. This is 10 p.m. tonight. Scattered snowfall activity. Maybe a dusting at best, I think, for many of us around the Twin Cities and southern Minnesota and into western Wisconsin as well. Not much is going to come up from that. And because this is happening in the middle of the night, road crews should have an easy time clearing it before Wednesday's morning commute. So drive tomorrow should be just fine. And there's the clearing that takes place as we head into Wednesday. So brighter conditions, but boy, those temperatures, they will be cold. This is the temperature and wind chill graphic for tomorrow. Notice right around sunrise, temperatures in the teens, single-digit wind chills. It's going to be breezy tomorrow, northwest wind 10 to 20 miles per hour, and you can see the temperature falling into the single digits by the evening commute, and the wind chill value in the single digits below zero by that time as well. And it gets colder from there. This is the temperature forecast, air temperature forecast, starting Wednesday evening. Single digits for most of us. Temperatures fall as we head into Wednesday night, and this is where we bottom out Thursday morning. Look at this. Single digits and even a couple of double-digit below zero readings for air temperatures, depending on how calm the wind gets, depending on how much clearing we see. Easily our first sub-zero reading of the season. So our forecast low as you wake up Thursday morning, 9 below zero. The record is 15 below zero. So we're not talking record cold. However, it is going to be the earliest sub-zero reading since 2014, so more than 10 years ago. That was the last time we saw a sub-zero low this early in the season. Here's your forecast for today. Some sunshine. Enjoy it. 24 degrees for a high temperature. By January standards, that feels pretty nice. But for early December standards, we're about 10 degrees cooler than average. Our average high temperature is 33 degrees today. And you can see temperatures in the 20s. Light snow showers across northern Minnesota. Less than half an inch is forecast up there. And we get our chance for some snowfall late tonight, closer to midnight. Falling temperatures for Wednesday, that 18 above. It's not really going to feel like it when you factor in the wind. Some cold sunshine as we head into Thursday. Typically when we see these Arctic outbreaks, we tend to see a good amount of sunshine, so that's some positivity there. Temperatures warm throughout Thursday night, and you can see 27 for a high on Friday. That will feel nice. Light snow possible both Friday and into Saturday, but we're not expecting much, if any, accumulation from that. Here comes that colder air Saturday into Sunday. Teens for highs as we head into Sunday, and then another warming trend. We're back in the mid-20s by the start of next week.